Here at Emara Olesereni, where we just launched the Site Inspection Handbook. The Site Inspection Handbook is a product of joint efforts between the Institution of Engineers of Kenya, IEK, National Construction Authority, and Council of Governors. Site Inspection Handbook covers various aspects of quality control in construction sites: architectural aspects, civil structural aspects, geotechnical, electrical, mechanical, health and safety, and quality control. These are very vital to ensure that we achieve construction site safety, and we are very keen on making sure that the manual, having been launched now, is available to all the 47 counties. It's also available to practicing professionals so that they can now deploy it in the construction sites to ensure that we achieve safety in our construction sites. The manual has been prepared by practicing professionals. It has factored in the actual site conditions, so it's a very practical tool. It refers to the relevant standards that we use and rely on in design and construction, and therefore it is a simplified tool for anyone in construction sector to be able to use to ensure that proper checks are done to make sure that our constructions are safe.
Maybe you can tell us how the handbook will change how engineering projects are being supervised in Kenya.
Now, the Site Inspection Handbook provides those particular aspects that you should check. These aspects include electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, structural engineering, health and safety, construction quality, architectural aspects. When you follow up these checklists, they ensure that you do not miss any aspect of quality in our constructions. This is a material that is going to revolutionize construction sector, because when you have a checklist, it ensures that you're not going to miss anything that needs to be given attention in construction sites. For example, there is a specification of how a mere socket should be placed, what height from the floor to where the socket is. There is a specification for how high light switch should be from the ground or from the floor. When you have this Site Inspection Handbook, these checks will be done deliberately. They will be confirmed that the construction we are doing meets the certain expectations specified in the design manuals and standards specified in the building code. So Site Inspection Handbook is a tool to make sure that if you comply with it, you actually meet the design expectations that are put out in our standards. Now, how will it change? It will ensure that, one, we involve professionals. You all know that we have had a challenge whereby when you don't involve professionals, then we compromise construction safety in our construction sites. So every inspection is supposed to be carried out by a professional: an architect who is registered, qualified, and licensed; a structural engineer who is registered, qualified, and licensed; an electrical engineer who is registered, qualified, and licensed; a mechanical engineer who is registered, qualified, and licensed. So